Hello guys, welcome to the Embedded Guy. Here we have got into an issue with a broken filament stuck inside the PTEF tube. First we'll remove the blue clamp and then push the tube holder and pull the PTEF tube out. Now, here we see the broken filament stuck inside PTEF tube. Also the end of the filament is not accessible to pull out the remaining filament inside the tube. So now we will be pushing the filament and purge out the stuck filament. So, first we will preheat the extruders. I would suggest to use 10-point more temperature for the extruder if pushing the filament is difficult. Meanwhile, take good filament, which is elastic and not brittle, also cut it straight, not 45 degrees. Once extruder is heated up, then fill the PTEF tube with good filament, push it slowly to purge. Now you should purge the stuck filament fully, unless the new filament reach the extruder. If not able to push or it's too hard, then increase the extruder temperature to another 10 points. It's done. Happy printing.